Do you want to come make some cookies?
Should we go make some cookies?
Come on, Tommy. You coming?
My name's Brooke and I'm the chef. My heritage is Polish.
Thank you. Good job, Harvey.
Food is about connection and belonging. Like, food is the easiest way for me to be able to connect with my heritage, and I think that it would be nice if kids learnt that as well at an early age.
Oh, you go, Maisie.
My name's Christine. I'm the cook. What I enjoy the most cooking for the children is their expressions on their face.
Do you want to smell Harvey?
They like to get very hands-on with it. They like to touch and feel. The five senses, they love it all.
Does it? It looks a bit like bread, doesn't it?
Feeding children every day just gives me enjoyment. I cook it with love. You've got to do it with love.
Another gentle push.
When we're doing the activities, the things that make me smile the most are the little things. You never know what is going to happen. Their body changes, like they become taller, and once they're proud of something that they've made, they want to show it off. It makes me feel proud because I'm contributing to their memories.
What happened?
Christine brings a lot of heart to the kitchen and community. She knows everybody here. She is such a warm face as soon as they walk in. It's really lovely.
Goodness.
Wow.
I get that many cuddles from the children, and I just feel loved by these children.
Cooking and taste and smell is such a strong memory, and I remember making carrot cake with my nan. Every time I smell cinnamon and nutmeg together, that's what I imagine, and those experiences are what I want for the kids.